Whoa, that's too close. Sorry, guys.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. My name is Alexey, and every Thursday on this channel I'm posting a new video tutorial on ballroom dance. So if you are into ballroom dancing, consider subscribing. Today is the last Thursday in March, which means that we are going to create a practice routine in cha-cha. So we will include all of the steps which we learned previously, and as well we'll add couple steps which I'm planning to break down in future. So without any further delays, let's just jump right into the routine. Woo-hoo. Okay guys, so now let's do our routine slowly first, and then we'll do it to music. Okay, so let's break down it into the counts. So we start 1 to the side, 2 back, 3 forward. So now lock step forward, 4 and 1, check, 2, 3, lock step back, 4 and 1. All right, and from here we're doing close, 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 close. We're moving with the chasse to the side, and we repeat our close, close again, and chasse to the side. Then from here we're doing rock step back, 2, 3, and now we're going to do hip twist chasse and ronde chasse. All right, so I know we haven't break those steps down yet, but I'm gonna do it in the future, so that's why I decided to put them in this amalgamation, this routine. So 2, 3, 4 and 1, hip twist, 2, 3 and ronde, 4 and 1. All right, then from here we're doing back rock, 2, 3, we move into the side with the chasse, 4 and 1, and we're finishing our 4/8 amalgamation with the Cuban breaks, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Step to the side, and we're starting all over again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, close, close, 4 and 5, close, close, 7 and 1, hip twist, 4 and 1, pam, ronde, wa, pa, 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 Cuban break and Cuban 1. All right, so before I'll do it to music, I just want to say that on the hip twist chasse and then the ronde chasse, I want you to use a lot of your twisting, okay? So make sure that you twisting your hips around your spine like we did it in the previous video. So you go 2, 3, twist your hips, yes, and then settle on 1, 2, 3 and ronde. Make sure that your left foot goes straight, 2 and 3. Yes, so look again, 2, 3, straight foot, yes, and as well we're doing contra body movement, twisting, collecting and unwinding. Then 2, 3, 4 and 1 and Cuban break. It's a check and hip goes side and check and side and pa ah pa ah pa ah pa. All right guys, so let's do it to music now. Okay, let's do it to music. 5, 6, 7, 1, lock, step, back, close, 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 hip twist, ronde, Cuban break, top, and lock, step, close, close, hip twist, ronde, from the top. Not yet, right now. Yay! All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So make sure that you practice those steps first slow and then of course to music. Thank you very much again. If that was helpful, please press like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon on next Thursday. Bye bye. Peace. All right.